Hello students, welcome to class 4 of Curriculum Studies in Science Education. In this class we examine what scientific literacy means and how science curriculum should respond to myths about science that portray science in unrealistic colors. We explicitly address in this class the notion of scientific literacy, a notion that was already appeared here and there in previous classes, and we're going to dispel several misconceptions, not to say fairy tales if you want, about science, about the scientific process and the work of scientists. On the way, we will encounter some ideas from sociology and philosophy of science, something not new in this course. Perhaps one central idea this class is expressed by McComas, one of the reading this week, saying science simply cannot answer moral, ethical, aesthetic, social, and metaphysical questions, although it can provide some insights which might be illuminating. This is the quote. In terms of readings, we have two readings, of course. One is quite short by Hudson on scientific literacy, gives some general framework to the notion. The other on myths on the nature and work of science is by McComas. I just brought a quote from this reading. So the two themes are appropriate scientific literacy, and the other one is myths about the nature of science. In the first theme, appropriate scientific literacy, so I'm following Hudson that calls for a conception of scientific literacy that can redirect science and technology along more socially just, environmentally responsible, and ethically sound lines. I'm asking, how do you understand such scientific literacy? Of course, we need to use and address Hudson's ideas. What features of science curriculum advance such scientific literacy? So you need to do these transformation from the notion of scientific literacy to the curriculum itself. In the second theme, myths about the nature of science, you need to select two myths out of the 15 that McManus discusses regarding the nature of science, and you need to offer implications for science curriculum, how those two myths should be addressed in science curriculum. That's for me this time. I enjoyed the reading and the discussions. Bye-bye.